H2K or Unicorns of Love. This could be the first kill in Sweden, and Fizichachi is roasted by Odawane. Baron is going to go down shortly. Horo's coming in. Unicorns of Love may be able to do something with this. He's going to be in a little bit of trouble. Ryu's gone aggressive.
He's down.
Power of Evil. That's the Ari play Deficio wanted. And that will sentence death to UOL in game 1.
You can make, come. Go fight. Oh my god, they blew me up. Ryu's coming. Kill him.
Ryu's flanking.
Shen.
Go back.
Keep going.
Oh, he didn't TP.
Good job.
Then we see the reset. Jan is looking for Vardak and he's going to find him. That's going to be the quadra kill. Is he going to find the Penta? No, Power of Evil's run away. There's a cleanse above the charge. It hits. This might be a Penta.
It's Sweden. Jan could have gotten the Penta kill.
H2K 2-0 up. The fight's breaking out.
Stand United.
The round has arrived. It's 3 kills for H2K.
I go for kill. She's low.
Okay.
2 seconds.
K. Oh my god, that's so bad.
Kill both of them. Midi him.
Kill him first. Sorry.
Midi him.
H2K 3-0 the Unicorns.